welcome to another episode of Train in Vain. This week we're pitching Stephen Marcel Warehouse Packer's skills against Pete Sawyer.
Hello.
How do you think it's going to go, Stephen?
I'm quite confident.
Confident about this one?
I'm having this. I'm landing something.
Do you know about Pete? Anything?
Not much personally. I know he's pretty quirky. Street rider. Peggers.
Peg the street rider.
Do
Do you know anything about Stephen Marcel Warehouse Packer?
I know he's going to send it.
That's it?
That's about it.
That's what matters.
Should we do it then? Should we just have it? See what happens.
I'm going to leave a fairly big gap.
It's fine, yeah.
So when my bike comes flying,
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm fucking ready. Psyched. Shakes hand.
Stephen Marcel Warehouse Packer against Corey Martinez.